Yoshida's CO2 laser Opelaser Pro 2 offers three significant advantages: excellent blood control during surgeries, effective pain control, and ideal post-surgery maintenance. With the Opelaser Pro 2's precision and shallow penetration depth, quick and minimally invasive procedures can be performed with less pain during and after treatment. These benefits have been verified by the FDA and confirmed by numerous dentists. By utilizing this laser in your various treatments, patients can receive comfortable care, which can further enhance the value of your practice, resulting in satisfied patients who will actively promote it to others. To see for yourself, take advantage of our free 2-week demo at your chairside.